In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make $3,000 to $5,000 per day on YouTube by simply posting ring videos with no face, no voice, and minimal effort required. Stick around because I'll be giving you all the steps you need to start earning big. Power of ring channels, alright? So here's the deal. There is this YouTube channel called Relaxation White Noise that makes exactly the kind of ring video we are going to talk about today. Now, if you take a peek at the Social Blade stats, you see that they are making anywhere between $3,000 to $5,000 a day, every single day. And here's the kicker. They're not doing anything overly fancy. It's just some still images with basic sound effects layered on top. That's it. It's super straightforward, but the result mind-blowing. And then there's soothing relaxation. The estimated daily earning are nearly double, sitting between $5,000 and $7,000. And let me tell you, Social Blade numbers are usually conservative. From my experience, channels like this probably rake in 40% to 60% more than the estimates. So realistically, soothing relaxation is likely earning closer to $7,000 to $8,000 a day. Can you imagine making up to $3 million a year just from those simple ring videos? Wild, right? Finding your niche. So first thing first, before you even think about making a video, you need to figure out what kind of ring video you should be creating. Here's a little trick I use. Find the 6 biggest channels in your niche. Once you have got your list, head over to the YouTube pages, click on videos, and sort them by most popular. This is gonna give you a snapshot of what working is best for them. Your job, jot down the top 10 performing video from each of those 6 channels. This is your gold mine of ideas. As you go through, look for pattern. Do all of those channels have a video that consistently perform well? Maybe it's the sound of rain or the gentle hum of a coffee shop. Whatever it is, take note of it because you want to make that video too. But even if you can spot a clear pattern, don't sweat it. Any of those top performing videos are worth making on your channel. If they did well for those big channels, chances are they will do well for you too. Next, sort of the video by the newest and pay attention to the ones that are performing above average. Every channel has a baseline and average number of views they get on the videos. So let's say a channel usually gets 15,000 views to 35,000 views per video, but then you see one with 300,000 views. That's a clear winner. For this example, maybe it's a one forest ambience video. Jot that down and add it to your list of ideas. This is an endless well of inspiration. Keep an eye out for those spikes and keep adding to your collection of potential videos. vidIQ for infinite ideas, alright? Now, let's talk about my secret weapon, vidIQ. This tool is a game changer for YouTube growth, and the feature I love most is the keyword research tools. Let's say you type in ring sound and click on view or match an item. vidIQ will spit out a massive list of keyword people are searching for on YouTube every day. This is a gold mine for generating content ideas. Want to get even more specific? Type in something like ring ambience and you will get another endless list of related keywords. This tool is super powerful for getting your videos to take off. Creating your first ring video, okay? So now you have got your video ideas lined up. How do you actually create the videos? Step 1 is getting some editing software. Good news, you don't have to spend a dime. If you are on a Mac, iMovie is free and super easy to use. On a PC, no worries. DaVinci Resolve, HitFilm Express, Kdenlive, and Lightworks are all free options too. Personally, I'm a big fan of DaVinci Resolve if you are looking for the best free option. If you have got a little budget and want the top of the line stuff, Premiere Pro and Final Cut Pro are your go-to. Let's start from scratch. Picture this. You just finished watching this video and you are pumped to start making ring videos. The first thing you're gonna do is pick one of your ideas. Don't overthink it, okay? Just choose one and dive in. Let's say we are doing a ring and thunderstorm ambience video. Head over to Epidemic Sound. This site is fantastic for high quality sound effects with over 90,000 options to choose from. Quick heads up, it's not free. It costs about $9 a month if you pay annually. But hey, considering those videos can make you serious money, that's a pocket change. Once you are on Epidemic Sound, go to Sound FX, and since we are making a ring and thunderstorm video, click on weather. You will get a whole list of options like ring, wind, thunder, you name it. Scroll through, pick what you need, and download those sound effects. Add in visual. Now, before you start downloading sound effects, you want to find your visual because the type of visual you use will influence your sound effects. I have got 3 websites that are perfect for this: Unsplash, Raw Pixel, and Pixels. They are all for free and offer super high resolution images. Let's start with Raw Pixel and search for ring images. But here's where you can really get creative. Don't just search for ring. You could search for something like coffee shop, and look, this first image is spot on for what I have in mind. Now, you might be thinking, but wait, there's no ring in that picture. How is this going to be a ring video? Just stick with me for a second. Your mind is about to be blown. Download that coffee shop image and bring it into the editing software. Scale it up so it fills the whole frame. Next, head over to vdz.com, another free site. Search for ring, download a ring overlay, and bring that into your editing software. Now, place the ring video on top of the coffee shop image. At first, it would just look like a black screen with ring, but here's the magic. Change the blend mode of the ring clip from normal to screen. Boom, the black disappears and suddenly it's a raining in your coffee shop scene. But wait, it's raining inside the coffee shop. To fix this, we'll add a mask to cover the inside of the coffee shop, making it look like the ring is outside. Drag and drop a shape mask onto your ring clip and adjust it so the ring only falls outside the coffee shop window. Instantly, it feels like a cozy, raining day inside a warm coffee. Pretty neat, right? Now, if you are getting value so far in this video, drop a like. Let's not waste any more time. But let's take it up another notch. Head back to VDZ and look for some steam effect. Download one, place it over the coffee cup in your image, set the blend mode to screen, adjust the size and opacity until it looks just right. Now, we have got ring outside, a steamy cup of coffee inside. It's all coming together beautifully. Add in soundtrack. Now that the visual are set, let's get back to Epidemic Sound and find the perfect ring sound effect. Download a couple, see which one fit best, and bring it into your editing software. Place it below your visual in the timeline. Since our scene is in a coffee shop, it would not make sense if all we heard was ring, right? So search for coffee shop sound on Epidemic Sound, grab one that has the right vibe, download it, and add it to your timeline. Adjust the volume of your sound effect to create the perfect atmosphere. You might want the ring to be more prominent, so turn down the coffee shop sound just a bit, but there's still something off. The ring sound too close, almost like it's inside the coffee shop, so let's fix that. In Final Cut Pro, there's a mufflers effect you can add to your ring audio to make it sound like it's outside. Just drag and drop that onto your ring track and boom, it's instantly feel like you're really inside, listening to the ring from a cozy spot indoor. And there you go. You have got created a ring video. You could leave it as it is, or you could even add a soft music track to really set the mood. Play around with it, have fun. Now, if you like to learn how to earn money by just listening to music, make sure to click this one. But don't click on it just yet. Make sure to subscribe if you want to grow your wealth, okay? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace, bye.